Masuya tu kuya kuya, ele hanami kasoya. Masuya tu kuya kuya, ele hanami kasoya. Suya na gujita me jo kala jila kala, kala jila kala, mata kahe kala. खाया अजला छंगु इसे दुगु पहला छंगु मन जिगु साला काला मन जिगु सिंचा इला मुंडिया गु पहला छंगु जादुया गु चला छंगु हमी मई माया जाने मन जिगु केंचा Cinta bila
I would like to request Mr. Master Diggaz from class 2A. He is the winner of some race. Kumar Mahajan to distribute prize to Master Diggaz. अनुरोध गर्दछु कक्षा 2 दिग्गज वहाँ साउन्ड रेसको विनर हुनुहुन्छ। रेसका विनर्सहरू सबैजनालाई यहाँ अगाडि बसिदिन हुन अनुरोध गर्दछु। To a winner of sound race. I'd like to request Mr. Uttam Kumar Mahajan to distribute prize to Miss Akriti from class 2A, the winner of sound race. This is the winner of sound race. And now from class Nilesh. The winner of sound race from class 2B, Master Nilesh. To do this honor, I'd like to request Mr. Uttam Kumar Mahajan to distribute prize 2B. And now I would like to request all the parents to crowd of applause space. Now I would like to request Master Reggae from class 1. He is also the winner of sound race, and to do this honor, I would like to request Mr. Basanta Mani. He is also the winner of sound race, and first of all, I would like to request Mr. the winner of sound race. And now to request Master with and from the board, I would like to request Miss Rashid. Thank you so much, sir. Of class 2A, and to do this honor, I would like to request Mr. Omnath Mahajan on the stage, please. Principal of Kathmandu Deva Kindergarten, Mr. Rajendra Mahajan, to come to the stage and distribute prize to the winners of train and needle race. And I would like to request she is from class 2A, and now from class 2. And from now from class Master UK. the winner of running competition. And to do this honor, I'd like to request Mr. Krishna Guru and Mrs. Anjana Casey to come to the stage and do this honor. I think Krishna Guru is not here, so on behalf of him, I'd like to request Ms. Anjana Casey to do this honor. And now I'd like to welcome Master Amir from class. And the prize of running competition on class LKGB. And nursery A. Similarly, now I'd like to request from nursery C. Mom. The chocolate race. To do this honor, I'd like to request the auditor, Mr. Ram Gopal Maharjan, to come to the stage. I'd like to request the winner of chocolate race from Kawis, right? Pinjuna from class LKGA. Master Sayam Prakash. Also the winner of chocolate race from class nursery A. आफ्ना जुत्ता नलाइकन साथीहरूको जुत्ता लगाएर गएको कुरा हुँदैछ। कृपया जुत्ता एक्सचेन्ज भएको भए चाहिँ भित्र गएर आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाइदिनु हुन अनुरोध गर्दछु। Thank you, sir. And to do this honor, I would again like to request the principal of Kathmandu Neva Kindergarten to come to the stage and distribute the prize. And the winner of praise from class 2A. From class 2B, I would like to request Master Relay. And from class 1, Amigor, I would like to request Miss Saina. Also, I would like to request Miss Bhavati. From the girl, I would like to share. From I would like to request Miss Afrina. And from class 1, I would like to request Master Sumit. Also, I would like to request Miss Diksha. From class 1, I would like to request Miss Diksha. And Miss Oshish. Award of the games named musical chair. To do this honor, I would like to request Mr. Krishna Gaji Maharjan to come to the stage. I would like to request Master Rahul and Miss Praniti Advan. I'm not hearing your clap, so please clap your hands for them once again. Please, Master Music nursery A and Subeksha from And now I'd like to the games, and we are going to start the prize distribution for the education in academic year in this academic year, and we are going to start it from class 2A. From the third position, I'd like to request Miss Anushka.
Direct view lah. Yes, go.
And to do this honor, I'd like to please take your third position. And the first position of class 2A is Miss Akriti. I'd like to request you all to clap your hands for them, please. Miss Shishika. Position from class 2B. And in second position here is Miss Diksha. Position from class 1 goes to Miss Tarija. From class 1. From class UKG. Second position goes to Miss. First position goes from class UKG. Position we have Asya Sudik from class LKDB. The third position goes to Miss Lumana. And the second position from class L. And in the first position we have. And now from class nursery A. In the third position we in second position we have. And in the first position here, holding the first position. And in the second position here we have Miss and the first position of nursery B. And in nursery C here we have in third in the second position here we have. And in first position. Here. So please clap your hands for him. And the prize for cleanliness goes to Miss Ayusha. This award is for the cleanliness. The prize for fine art and craft. Last but not the least, Miss Sarina. Listen, token of love kaya dita. Kathmandu Neva English School या प्रिन्सिपल बाजु राजेन्द्र महर्जन जुया त नगुली खाया दीता इना प्याना चना अलि थम्या थुकु ज्याजो यामा मु बहा बाजु दीपक रत्न तुलादर जुया त टोकन अफ लभ लाल हाना दीता इना प्याना थुकु बोले कुदिया first also I would like to request Master Anjit to come to the stage. Arjit, Master Arjit, he is the ex-student of this school. And now I am also going there to receive token of love for myself. Request one of the representative from Sunagoti Neva English School. Let's again clap our hands and make big noise for the fashion show.
मेरे स्कूल का नाम चैतन्यवा इंग्लिश स्कूल हो। धन्यवाद। चैतन्यवा इंग्लिश स्कूल जी थाबु तगी में पनि गुसु बे फोटोग्राफर हूँ। धन्यवाद। Toda parte gunar romanti de tarde, Jimish Tekonewa English School Sube. Hello everybody, I am Asim. I am an engineer. Thank you. Hello everybody, I am Niva Mardan Honors. Thank you. ग्रीन धन्यवाद।